Hello you guys, this is Jeanette Milio. I hope you had a great week. This is week 5 from script to screen. What to expect this week? In this module, you will learn about the importance of choosing the right project. You will understand the important steps from the inception of an idea for a film or television show to seeing it on the big or the small screen. You will realize the essential steps of how to choose the optimal project, securing the rights, developing the story to elevate its screen-like potential, and its options to get funded. You will learn about the importance of packaging and attaching talent to elevate a project's value, and you'll understand how to connect this value when establishing a feasible budget. Understand what ideas sell today, why they sell, and how to get them financed. Understanding story elements to establish a commercially viable story, developing a concept that sells, packaging, attach a director and cast, feasible budgeting, establish a commercial viable budget, understanding the elements that define the value of a project in the marketplace today, and realizing the steps to get a film or TV show project on the big or the small screen. These are the things we'll talk about this week. And by the end of the week, you'll identify what projects sell today and why. You'll identify each step from the inception of an idea to seeing it on the screen. And you'll be able to differentiate between the various elements that elevate the value for a project, and you can identify important green light criteria to get a film or TV project financed.
This week we are focusing on the steps we need to take to choose a project that can be commercially viable around the globe. So we're looking at what are the elements that make a story commercially viable. How do we structure a story in order for it to be commercially viable? Commercially viable meaning it can sell in the US but also internationally. What do we need to look at in order to protect and secure the rights? How do we make sure that the chain of title is clean? And what questions do we need to ask to solidify this? And then how do we attach a director or a cast, or in the situation where we're putting a TV show together, a showrunner? All of these elements, these project elements, are very important to create value in connection with our story. And then how do we combine forces with the sales agent? Who is the right sales agent and why? What do we need to look at when it comes to our budget, and how do we keep it feasible? What steps do we have to take to get our project on the screen, the big one or the small one? And then, of course, I'd like you to look at the summary for this module so you get the essentials right then and there to do all your quiz work. Watch the guest speaker interviews as always, and then also read the Entertainment Finance Today Chapter 5. And by the end of the week, the key activity for you to submit by Sunday would be quiz number 5, and keep an eye out for anything else that could be announced in the Canvas calendar for additional key activities that are due this week. The main item to focus on for this week is quiz number 5, which is due by Sunday. And again, check Canvas to see if there's anything in addition that you could be submitting. Thank you.